Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing not a first, but I'm showing you guys some shoes. I have been asked so much to get into shoes and accessories, and all in due time, guys, all in due time. But I need to put a disclaimer out there, guys, because if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'd know that I have very problematic feet. That's right, I have wide duck feet, and it makes it very, very hard to buy shoes online. I pretty much have to try everything on. It's a real risk when I buy something online when it comes to shoes, because my feet just don't fit. And in particularly with designer brands, like the high-end luxury brands like Dior, Chanel, all those, I just never fit into their shoes. So I don't buy a lot of them because they never fit, and I've been burned way too many times. So I'm getting right into this shoe. Now, I would love to show you guys some heels, but I have a lot of trouble finding heels that fit. They usually never fit. So I decided to go with something that I would actually wear and would actually use, and there might be a potential of it fitting. So these are the shoes. Very iconic, simple, classic Gucci sneakers. I think these are super easy to wear. I love the fact that they've got a little bit of something interesting at the back. These feel super soft and luxurious. The soles, you guys know that when you're buying shoes like this, it's all in the soles. I will do some cutaways for you. And also, I kind of thought that this shoe sits a little bit wider than some other sneakers like Dior sneakers, and I thought that would be better for my feet. Even, you know, the tissue paper they've used to insert, it's really, really soft, like it's a fabric almost. Is it a fabric? I'm not sure. I got these in a size, they're actually, I'll be honest with you, they're a little bit big. They're one size too big. Just looking at the design here, you've got the beautiful soft, feels like leather. Is it leather? I think it's leather because the inside looks leather. Like on the inside of leather, it's kind of like a suede. So it looks like a white sneaker with a white sole, and then there's this, you know, elastic bit at the top that says Gucci on it. Love the little pop of red at the back as well. I think these are super bougie, very Hamptons, very holiday. You know, I'm traveling and I'm on holiday and I'm just wearing a casual outfit. I will show you guys these shoes on. Bear in mind that they do look a little bit big, but I might be able to wear them with some thick socks. And I think these might be a men's equivalent size because they're kind of bigger, like they're wider. I find men's shoes wider, but I can never get my size because they kind of start at like one size up from my size, and they just end up being too big. I find that these are super relaxed, very, very soccer mum-esque, chic soccer mum. So, and I'm just wearing these today with a very simple bike shorts and t-shirt combo with a blazer on top. I do find that wearing a blazer over something really casual dresses it up a little bit and makes you look a little bit smarter, and you don't feel like, you know, you're hanging around the house on a Sunday, which I would still do in these shoes. This is sort of just shows you I've deliberately worn some red biker shorts here just to tie in these red elements, but I think these will look great with jeans and a t-shirt, even all black. Like, I think you could do a lot. There is black and red on the front here, so you can pull those colors as well. Inside the sole, it does say it's got the Gucci logo and made in Italy. Sizing really confuses me, and it confuses me even more online, particularly with these sorts of shoes, is because everyone kind of has their different sizing and you kind of don't know what you're getting. So I always like to give the seller my foot measurement, so from the end of my foot there, not the shoe measurement but my foot, and I do that so that they can just match it up to whatever size is equivalent for them, because you can't get the length wrong, if that makes sense. You can only really, if you're guessing it's a 6 or an 8 or a 10, you could get that wrong if it's in a different part of the world, or their sizing is a little bit weird. So I like to just give them my foot measurement, and then that way, you know, they get it right. On this occasion, they didn't, because I went up a size because I was scared. But I really shouldn't have, because these fit me fine, and I think a size smaller would have been good, and I wouldn't have had such big room like on the front here. I've got way too much room on the top. But there you go, guys. What do you guys think of these sneakers? Would you get a lot of wear out of these? Do you see me wearing these sneakers? I've never used to be a sneaker person, but over the past 6 months, that white dad sneaker trend has really crept up on me, and I'm wearing them more and more. So I think I'll get some use out of these, but I'll have to really be careful with the sizing. I'm just not sure if I would wear them if they're a tad big. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video and hanging out till the end. I know you guys are busy, and you know, you got heaps to do. I really appreciate your support and all your comments and your views. I hope to see you next time. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more shoes and what type of shoes. I can always order some in if I get enough demand. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.